Finding the right laptop can be tricky. So many choices. It's a big decision, especially for students. And for everyday use, you need a laptop that's reliable, one that can keep up with you, whether you're studying, working, or just browsing the web. The HP 15S might be the answer. It's a great all-rounder, perfect for students and everyday users. Let's see why. The HP 15S is packed with power. This laptop is designed to meet the needs of both casual users and professionals alike. Whether you're working on a complex project, streaming your favorite shows, or simply browsing the web, the HP 15S has got you covered. Its sleek design and robust build make it a reliable companion for everyday use. Let's dive into what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd. It has a 12th Gen Intel Core i3 processor. That means it's fast. This processor ensures that your laptop can handle demanding tasks with ease. From running heavy software to multitasking between various applications, the Intel Core i3 processor provides the speed and efficiency you need. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable and fast computing experience. You can run multiple applications at once, no lag. Imagine having your email, web browser, and a video editing software all open at the same time, and still experiencing smooth performance. The HP 15S makes this possible, ensuring that you can switch between tasks without any delays. This is particularly useful for those who need to juggle multiple responsibilities and can't afford to waste time waiting for their laptop to catch up. And it has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. This ample amount of memory allows for efficient multitasking and smooth operation of your favorite applications. Whether you're editing photos, playing games, or working on a presentation, the 8 GB DDR4 RAM ensures that your laptop can handle it all without breaking a sweat. This helps with multitasking too. You can have multiple windows open, switch between them effortlessly, and still enjoy a seamless experience. This is ideal for those who need to keep several applications running simultaneously, such as students working on assignments, professionals managing their work, or creatives working on their projects. Switching between tabs is a breeze. Whether you're researching for a project, shopping online, or just browsing the web, the HP 15S makes it easy to navigate between different tabs. The responsive touchpad and keyboard ensure that you can switch between tasks quickly and efficiently, making your computing experience more enjoyable and productive. And don't forget about storage. Storage is a crucial aspect of any laptop, and the HP 15S doesn't disappoint. With ample storage space, you can keep all your important files, documents, and media in one place without worrying about running out of space. The HP 15S has a 512 GB SSD. This solid-state drive not only provides plenty of space for your files, but also ensures faster boot times and quicker access to your data. The SSD technology enhances the overall performance of the laptop, making it more responsive and efficient. That's a lot of space. You can store a vast amount of data, including high-resolution photos, videos, and large software applications. This is particularly beneficial for photographers, videographers, and anyone who needs to store large files without compromising on speed and performance. You can store all your files, photos, and videos. The generous storage capacity means you don't have to constantly worry about deleting old files to make room for new ones. You can keep all your memories and important documents safe and easily accessible, without worrying about running out of space. The HP 15S is designed to provide a hassle-free computing experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most. With its powerful performance, ample memory, and generous storage, this laptop is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient device. The HP 15S is perfect for students. Whether you're in a bustling library or the quiet of your dorm room, this laptop adapts to your environment effortlessly. Its sleek design and lightweight build make it easy to carry around campus, ensuring you have access to your digital world wherever you go. It can handle all your schoolwork. From taking notes during lectures to completing assignments, the HP 15S is equipped to manage it all. Its powerful processor ensures that you can run multiple applications simultaneously without any hiccups, making multitasking a breeze. From writing essays to creating presentations, the HP 15S provides a seamless experience. The high-resolution display makes reading and editing documents easy on the eyes, while the responsive keyboard ensures that you can type comfortably for hours. And it's great for online classes too. With its high-quality webcam and clear audio, you can attend virtual lectures and participate in group discussions without any technical difficulties. The HP 15S ensures that you stay connected and engaged, no matter where you are. The processor and RAM ensure smooth video calls, no buffering or lagging. This means you can have uninterrupted conversations with your professors, classmates, or even family and friends. The HP 15S makes sure that your communication is always clear and reliable. But it's not just for students. The HP 15S is versatile enough to meet the needs of professionals and everyday users alike. Whether you're working from home or managing personal projects, this laptop provides the performance and reliability you need. The HP 15S is great for everyday users too. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay productive and entertained. From browsing the web to working on documents and spreadsheets, this laptop can handle it all with ease. You can use it for work, entertainment, or just browsing the web. The HP 15S offers a rich multimedia experience with its vibrant display and powerful speakers, making it perfect for watching movies, streaming music, or playing games. It's a versatile laptop that can do it all. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected, the HP 15S is designed to meet all your needs. Its combination of performance, portability, and versatility makes it the perfect companion for any task. The HP 15S has a beautiful 15.6-inch FHD display. It's big enough to watch movies comfortably, and the anti-glare technology makes it easy to see the screen, even in bright light. Whether you're watching your favorite show or working on a presentation, the display won't disappoint. The colors are vibrant and the text is sharp. It's a pleasure to use this laptop. Section 5. The Amazon Bestseller. The HP 15S is a bestseller on Amazon for a reason. It's a great value for money laptop. You get a lot of features for the price, and it's backed by HP's trusted brand. No wonder it's so popular. You can check out the latest deals on Amazon here. Hyperlink to the discounted. Section 6. Balancing act performance and battery life. The HP 15S is a powerful laptop. It's equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors, ensuring that you can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without any lag. Whether you're working on a complex spreadsheet, editing photos, or streaming your favorite shows, this laptop can handle it all with ease. The performance is smooth and responsive, making it a reliable companion for both work and play. But that power comes at a cost. High performance often means higher power consumption, and the HP 15S is no exception. When you're pushing the laptop to its limits, you might notice the battery draining faster than you'd like. This is especially true if you're running power-intensive applications or have multiple tabs open in your browser. The battery life isn't the best. On a full charge, you can expect around 6 to 7 hours of mixed use. This includes activities like browsing the web, working on documents, and streaming videos. While this might be sufficient for a typical workday or a few classes, it might not be enough if you're planning to be away from a power source for an extended period. You can expect around 6 to 7 hours of mixed use. This is fairly standard for laptops in this category, but it's something to keep in mind if you're often on the go. For students, this means you can get through a day of classes and some study sessions before needing to recharge. For professionals, it means you can handle a day of meetings and emails, but you might need to plug in before the end of the day. That's enough for a day of classes or work. However, if your day involves a lot of travel or you're attending back-to-back meetings, you might find yourself reaching for the charger sooner than you'd like. The portability of the HP 15S is one of its strengths, but the battery life can sometimes be a limiting factor. But you might need to carry your charger if you're planning a long day. The good news is that the charger is compact and lightweight, so it won't add much bulk to your bag. This makes it easy to stay powered up, whether you're working from a cafe, attending a conference, or traveling for business. But here's the good news. The HP 15S supports fast charging, which is a real game changer. With fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery during a short break, ensuring that you have enough power to get through the rest of your day without any interruptions. The HP 15S supports fast charging. This means that even if you find yourself running low on battery, you can get a significant boost in a short amount of time. In just about 45 minutes, you can charge the battery up to 50%, which is perfect for those moments when you need to quickly get back to work or finish an important task. So you can quickly top up the battery if you need to. This feature adds a lot of convenience and flexibility, allowing you to stay productive without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Overall, while the battery life of the HP 15S might not be its strongest point, the fast charging capability more than makes up for it, ensuring that you can keep going throughout your busy day. Section 7. Portability at its finest. The HP 15S is a slim and lightweight laptop. It's easy to carry around in your backpack, whether you're going to class, work, or just to a coffee shop. And the sleek design means it looks good wherever you go. This laptop is perfect for people who are always on the go. Section 8. The HP 15S, your perfect companion. The HP 15S is a great all-around laptop. It's perfect for students and everyday users. It offers great performance, a beautiful display, and a sleek design. The battery life could be better, but the fast charging feature makes up for it. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable laptop, the HP 15S is a great option. Section 9. Ready to upgrade? The HP 15S is a powerful and versatile laptop that can keep up with your busy life. With its impressive features and affordable price, it's the perfect companion for students, professionals, and everyone in between. Don't wait any longer to experience the ultimate